I wanted to make this real short, sweet, and simple. Okay, now a lot of people keep asking, where do I find the stocks that I'm trading? You don't have to pay anybody. You don't have to sign up for any type of subscription because all this comes free on the internet. Now, my main source where I get everything is CNBC. Every morning they'll send me. I've got the app on my phone, so I'll get the notification saying the top movers. Uh, Let me see. I don't know if they'll have it on here now. No, they're probably not gonna have it on here. I think we're too late. It's already nighttime. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Usually I'll get a message saying that the stocks moving or something like this. Stocks making the biggest moves midday. This is midday right here. They'll send the same thing in the morning, but it'll say stocks making the biggest moves pre-market. So I'll look at that right there and I'll see what's making the biggest moves. And Tesla was one of them, for example. And it's because Tesla buys 1.5 billion in Bitcoin and plans to accept it as a payment if somebody wants to buy a Tesla. So right off the bat, because I know Tesla is like a just a heavily traded name, right off the bat, that was my pick. So I didn't have to waste too much time looking. I just look at the biggest movers in pre-market and I'll analyze one of those and I'll pick one. So, for example, Tesla was the biggest, my favorite, and which is what I traded today. And as you can see, I got in at 8:30, almost 8:31, and sold at 8:31 in 28 seconds. So I've had it for about 45 seconds. And as you can see right here, I made 255 in less than a minute, which is not bad. So you don't have to keep digging the internet trying to find what the trade. You don't have to follow anybody to see what they're trading. It's real simple. Get on, download the CNBC app. Every morning, make sure your notifications are on, and they'll give you the biggest movers of pre-market. Another thing that you could do is just go to Earnings Whisper and look at the calendar and see which names are reporting earnings, and then you can analyze those. Whether you want to play for the upside or downside. Of course, if a company has bad earnings with bad guidance, then of course you'd want to short the stock, or vice versa. Good guidance with good earnings, you'd want to go long on it. Another app I like is Yahoo. I like Yahoo Finance for my watch list pretty much. So I've got like a list of all the stocks that I watch on a daily basis, and I'll get notifications daily, whether if there's earnings or any news that's affiliated or any upgrades or downgrades. And so whatever comes to my phone, I'll analyze that, see what's up, look at pre-market, see where the volume is, and price action will tell you everything. Price action will tell you which way stock wants to go, and that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it. So Tesla was the first thing that I looked at. And of course, when that news came out with the whole Bitcoin thing, don't know why this thing is freezing up on me. This is when the news came out. So it pushed up aggressively. And then it pretty much sold off. Not sold off, but let me see. Yeah, it pretty much did. Sold off the rest of the day. So I got in the first minute. I got in right here and then sold like right here. It's made a quick 255 bucks. Then I was done for the day. So you don't need to spend all day looking for stocks. Um, I mean, that's just the way I trade. That's just the way that I trade. I've got my alerts, notifications on my phone, and every morning I'll get the pre-market, the biggest movers in pre-market, and then I'll analyze one of those, break it down to one or two, and see which one I like, which one's moving pre-market, and then I'll just take it from there. Yeah, and then you can also go like the market watch for the upgrades and downgrades, and see which stocks got an upgrade, downgrade, which ones were maintained. And the biggest one you're gonna want to see when it comes to like where the who the analysts are, where they're coming from. I like to look at Morgan Stanley. They seem to be they to me they move the market, or they move the stock better, quicker. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So what I look for, everything that I look for, everything that I trade from is pretty much coming from CNBC. And then I just use Yahoo Finance. The app is amazing. Just download the app on your phone, create your watch list of all the stocks that you want to, watch on a daily basis, and just take it from there. But yeah, so this is where I get my stocks from. So you don't have to make it complicated. Keep it simple. The simple the better. That's just how I look at it. And then you'll get notifications on your phone saying stocks making the biggest moves midday or aftermarket, pre-market. And I usually trade only the first 30 minutes to an hour. And I'll look at the stocks making the biggest moves pre-market and just take it from there. But yeah, just wanted to keep it simple. That's how I look for stocks. You don't need to pay anybody. You don't need to pay a subscription to look for scanners, screeners, or anything like that. Keep it simple. You'll, it's easier, better. All right, guys, take care.